Hello, how you guys doing? This is Anas. Okay, we're just gonna be having a video trading binary option using price action. So if you're still new to my channel, just like and subscribe. Yeah, man, I hope you're gonna learn something new. So for those who are still new, so binary option is the same way of like trading forex, but it's a bit different because when it comes to binary option, you actually have to be very good with time, you know. So each and every candle, as you know, in forex trading, there's a certain time frame that is you need to basically speculate and actually tell it's either going to be up or down. So in binary option, what you actually do is that you actually predict a certain movement on a specific time. So in a certain time, like if you're gonna say 2 minutes, they're gonna be an up movement on the euro pound, or in 2 minutes they're gonna be a down movement on any certain instrument. So this what happened. This is one of the most uh popular popular broker. It's called IQ Option. So I'm gonna send the link on the description if you don't have if you don't have an account with them, and actually try them out. And if you actually want to try binary options to actually improve your trading, or just make it as bit of a way of improving your skill and becoming a better trader, so here you have, this is their platform. So they have this platform on their dashboard. They also have it on their if you have a phone or something. They also have it on their iPhone, so you can check it on Play Store. You can actually download it, né? So this is their platform right now. It's not really complicated, so it's friendly to use. So as you can see here, these are the instruments that you have: the Euro Pound, the AUD, USD, and the other pairs, the cat Swiss, the Bitcoins, and everything. So if you just want to add something else, you just have to click here. So you're gonna see other asset that you can actually trade. So you can see here you have options, yeah. So these are the options you can trade. So these are the instrument you can that are open right now. So you can see, so the one that are gray, they are not open, eh? So they are not open, the one that are gray. So you have that one, and you have forex. So for those who really want to use this platform to actually trade forex, you can also trade forex like the same way you trade it on MT4. You also have forex, and then you also have stock markets. So you can also trade stock. So basically, stock is not open yet. It's not open yet. You also have crypto. For those who like crypto, you can also trade crypto, uh, community gold, and all those stuff. EFT, ETFs as well. So they are so far they're close. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna focus on actually trading currencies using binary options, because there are so many instruments. So to not complicate stuff, let's just focus on currency pairs. So let's just go up again, and let's go to currencies. So these are the popular and the trending. These are the ones that are using right now. So let's go to auction. So these are the ones that you have. So can I just grab a water for now? Sorry about that. Okay, these are the ones that you actually have. So you have two options right here. You have the 87%, and you have the 82, 87, 82. So these are the different payout you actually you get. So for every amount you put, you only gonna get 80%. So basically, it's not the same as forex trading. So as soon as you put your money, you actually know uh how much of return you're actually gonna get back. So let me just make a simple example. So if I could just go here and just, okay, let me just, where could I actually place a trade? Okay, 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 let me go for the open one. Okay, let's go for the USD. So as I was saying to you, I'm only gonna get 80% of any amount that I put. So if I could just put like $100, you see how much I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna get 87. Okay, right now it's fluctuating. It's 88% now. So if I could just put um $100, I'm gonna get $88. Basically, that is 80% of the $100 I just put in. I just put above. So that's what the difference is with forex. So you just get 80% of any amount. So if it's $10, it's gonna be $8. So you're gonna get that $8, and then you're gonna get the money that you put as well. So let me just make an example. So let's just go for a put now because it just went up. So right now if this trade decides to go down, I'm gonna get my my $8 and my $10. So that's why it's written here. Expected profit. It's expected profit. It's um $17 60 cents. So that's how it actually go about in terms of like putting your money in. So let's just wait for this one to just close while I'm just gonna be drinking water. So if you're still new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe, and actually click the comment below and actually tell me what do you actually think we should continue doing these videos, or do you like them, or did you find them educational? I'd appreciate, and every comment is welcome. Yeah, man, I appreciate it. Okay, so let's just continue explaining the process. So you can see this trade went on profit. So I actually got my $8 back, and then my $10 that I put in, and the profit that I actually have. So let's just continue. So as I was saying to you, if I go here and I wanna show you something, go here, click here, and then you have option. As I was explaining, you have these two options. You have 80% and you have 82%. So the difference between these two is that on 88%, basically it means you are trading taboo. So basically, what is a taboo is? Taboo is like when you're trading forex, né? So when you're trading forex, you actually have a way of trading short term, which we also call it scalping, né? So when you are scalping, here in binary option we call it tab. So you can see here it's written above 1 minute. So when you are scalping, you actually have your trade actually have to run in a space of like 5 minutes. So that is tab. So when you are taking small trades which are taboo, you're gonna get 80%, 88%. So not 88%, but you're gonna get more returns because you're actually trading short term. So if you are trading options, you can see here they're a bit lower, up to 80%. You're gonna get you're gonna trade 5 minutes above, ne? So that's how the long term. So if you're gonna trade 5 minutes above, you are trading binary. You are trading options. So I hope that makes sense. So when you are trading long terms, we call it auctions, and then if you are trading short terms, you're actually trading tables. So basically, for it to make sense to you, if you want more return, né? So if you want more returns, you're actually gonna go for table, né? You're gonna go for table, and you're gonna make a lot of money in a short space of time. So I hope that is clear to everybody. If you just couldn't hear me properly, you can actually replay the video and actually tell me what you think. So yeah, so let's just look at the broker. So you have here your account history. You see, these are your account history. So if you just want to look at your trades, how did you go with your trades and all of that. They have a support system. So if you got a problem, so this is a very huge broker, guys. This is one of the broker is very huge. So in terms of like, if you got a problem, they're very quick with everything. So leaderboard, they also have. So I've been trading with this broker for quite some time, so I'm not in a lot of leaderboard for stuff for now. So they actually have a leaderboard for people who all over the world. So basically, it's actually nice seeing someone from South Africa. Henry T is from South Africa. He has made $3,000. So that's a lot of money, man. So it's actually good. So they have that. They have tutorials and all those stuff. So let's just go to for the important stuff of the deposit stuff, né? So let's just go for deposits. So I actually show you this how big is this broker. So you can see they work with almost every local broker we have here in South Africa, FNB, Absa, Standard Bank, Nedbank, Crypto. They have crypto, so crypto is a bit different because you can see crypto is actually you need $50. For all the other stuff, you just need $10. That's the minimum deposit. They even have Invexos, so you have Nextella. I don't know this one, Asval Cash. So Perfect Money. No, so they are very advanced. So if you use any Visa account, is very fast to verify and all those stuff. No, you see that they are like a very good broker, so there's no excuse of actually not having an account with them and actually depositing funds with them. So let's just go for some other stuff. So let me just clear here so you can see. So you actually, I've explained it to you that you have two options there. You actually have your table and your binary there. So those are the ways of trading. So time is very important when you're actually trading binary option. But I'm gonna try and explain it to you as the time goes by. So we have two options here. You have your highs and your lows. No, you actually have your buy and your sells, which you actually have if you are a forex trader. You know that you have up and down. That's where the market moves. So it's either it's gonna go up or it's either it's gonna go down. So you just need to know when to enter. So your entry point are very important. They are very critical when it comes to IQ option trading. You have to be very critical and very be like you how do I put it? You actually have to have the clearest entry point as possible because they are very important. Because I'm gonna show you as the time goes by. So we have down or sell there. So at this specific time, okay, let me just use $1 for the sake of, or let me just use $10, no problem. Okay, if I say sell, you see now the purchase time is only 46 minutes, and then I go for sell. Explain this properly. So what I've just said right now, in this time that 1 minute right now that is running, this running trade has to be below my order point. So if this trade decides to be above my order point, that's gonna be a loss. So right now I'm in a sell zone, I'm in a sell trade, so I'm still running in the money, which is good. So but I still have like 45 seconds still running with this trade. So hopefully this trade by the end of this 40 seconds it will just be below this trade. This order line. So if it decides to go above this order line while this time is actually out, then I'll be out of the money. So I hope that is clear to everybody. So right now I have like 20 seconds and then the trade is still just below my sell zone. So let me show you my sell zone. You have 20 seconds, we have 5 seconds, so it's just one attach. 5 seconds, okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So the trade decided to win because I said it was gonna be a sell for that minute. So let's just make another example for some other people. So if I go for a buy, so you see I said it's gonna be above. So right now it's moving below the order line. So what I said is that by this time the trade needs to be above the order line. So if it decides to be above, then this trade will actually become a winner. But if it decides to become below this order line, then this trade would actually become a loss. So you can see right now the trade is not doing very well. It's been going between my order line and we have no time, 2 seconds, 1 second. So luckily it went above. So you see how important your entry point is. So if my entry point are poor and then the trade by that certain time it goes above or it goes below, and then I'm actually out of the money. So let's make another example of a losing trade. Okay, let's go for a buy here. Let's go for a buy. So here I said the trade is gonna be above this. It has to be above this order line. And now I am left with 30 seconds, né? So this one wants to win as well. So fortunately, I don't know, like everything I touch is turning to gold. So I just want to make an example of a sell of a losing trade. So unfortunately, I don't know if you say unfortunately or fortunately, this trade is actually going in the money as well. So let's go for another buy for so we could actually. Okay, this one also won. So let's just go for a buy because I don't think it's gonna go up forever. Okay, let's go for a buy. So okay, so now it's deciding to go down. So basically, my order line is actually for a buy. So this trade just needs to close. Uh, this trade just needs to close above this. So right now, this is the loss. So this is the definition of a loss. I said it has to close above this line and it's below. So that's what I was trying to explain before the trade hit the profit. So I said buy and then buy for high and and sell for low. Yeah? So that is very simple. Like I hope everybody is actually trying to understand the basic stuff of actually trading binary option. Okay, you see, this is a loss. Like I said, it wasn't gonna go. So why this one is a loss? Because this trade, I said it was gonna go up by that certain time that I was given on the certain period, and then it just closed below. So that's why it is a loss. So I've actually explained every aspect and criticism, like what you call it. I've explained everything when it comes to um basic understanding of binary options. So let's just go and trade binary option using price action for now, and then I'm gonna share with you some system, some easy system, as you guys like and subscribe and actually show that you are actually interested, because I can see if people are interested in actually consuming this concept, so I could actually continue doing more videos and stuff. So make sure if you like this concept, you like and subscribe, you share it, so I could actually see that it did make an impact to some of you guys, so I can continue working hard and actually releasing this kind of stuff. So let's go. So what happened is, like for people who doesn't look like, who's not familiar, like who's still new with this dashboard, you could actually use your MT4 to analyze, because the candlesticks here that moves here are actually the same for. So let's go to MT4. So this is your MT4. So if I want to pay, I'm gonna go here on your MT4 and look for setups using price action. So let's just look for setups using price action. So here, 1 minute time frame. For those who know the whole concept, we have this setup here of a QML going here. This is just the 1 minute time frame. So we have a nice QML going here. Let me just go here. For those who don't know our trading style, could actually go and refer to our videos and stuff, and actually see how do we actually trade, because we have explained that one. So it's gonna be a long video if I say, try and explain what a QML is. So we're gonna do price action there. So this is what I'm expecting here. I'm expecting the price to just go a bit up and then decide to drop again on the Euro USD. So let's go for some other pairs. Look for some other stuff. Okay, what do we have here? So here we have this basically a nice channeling up. So you have to be really good with your price action and actually be quick, ne? No time for actually small thinkers. So we have the setup going here, and then we have this nice support zone at this point. So if we could just highlight it at this point, highlighting this whole zone, so I could just go here, the price decides to go up a bit and then it will drop. So we have expecting the price to go up here on the uh on the pound dollar. So let's look for some other setup. On the yen, we have this channel here. You see how quick I am when it comes to price action, because I spend so much time with my charts and stuff. So this is just like something I do every day. It's my life. So I actually spend so much time. So let me just drink water. Uh, drink water, cause it's kinda hard to actually not talk when you're not drinking water. So make sure you like and subscribe. Okay, here we have a setup. So it's gonna touch my trend line. Just go for the USD yen. USD yen. So go for USD yen. Just search USD yen. Okay, there it is. Then I'm gonna go for 5 minutes. Okay, and then you go for, just go for $100, and then you go for a sell. See, because basically it has to touch here. This is my critical point where it has to sell at this zone. So already it is left a spike here. So I'm expecting just a small move, not just a big move, just a small move, just going down. But it just has to go below here. You know, my entry point was poor, and it didn't really touch my vertical trend line. I think I was a bit impatient, but we still have time. So it was supposed to be touching this one. So right now I'm losing because of my entry point. If it decides to break this trend line, then I know I'm out. But let's just see the trade here. Let's see, we still have like a minute to go and we are losing. So another thing that I haven't told you guys, you can actually sell your trade when you see that you're actually losing. You just have to click here, and then they're gonna show you how much. Sorry, I sold it, man. So I didn't lose $100, I lose 88. So let me just go for another sell for a good entry point. This one was for a good one. Yeah, this one for a good. You see now it's a session, the trend line that I've explained it to you. As I was saying to you guys, is that you can actually sell a trade. So when the trade is going against you, you can actually if you could actually see that there's no way that the trade is gonna come back again, you could actually just click the sell button and actually save some money, you know. So as you can see, that one I put $100, but I only lost like $86. So you can actually sell it. You can actually take profits when you can actually see it's going in profits. It's like when you are doing these kind of things, Hollywood bets, best way, you know, you can actually cash out. So this one is looking good. So my analysis was actually good. You see, it has respected this trend line, as I said to you. So this has to go just below here. So we are in the money, probably here. We are very good in the money, and then we've made money. So one. So that's how our trade. So we've lost one, we've lost two. So we're doing well so far. So let's go and do some other price action stuff. So let's go for the Euro USD. Euro USD. So Euro USD, unfortunately, it haven't came to this point where I'm actually looking for my entry point. It's going down here, so there's no buy because it have to go up somewhere. So let's just look for some other stuff. So we have this one, the cat squeeze. So the cat squeeze, I mean the dollar squeeze. So we have this something like this at this point. At this point, we have something like this. So I'm waiting for a bit of a break. So let me zoom it in. At this point, if go for a break, so it's respecting this trend line. So unfortunately, we're a bit late. So if any candle decides to close just above this, this vertical trend, then we know we are gonna go for a buy. So if this one goes, let me just go here, so actually avoid. So you have to be really quick because time is very important here. USD CHF, do they have or they don't have? Unfortunately, it hasn't closed. It's not open here, so it's unnecessary for us to actually analyze it because it hasn't opened. So let's just see USD CAD. Let's zoom it in. So we have a nice setup here. QML at this point, you have a nice this point. This is a nice compression, and then you have a nice zone here at this point. So if only when I traded binary option back then, I didn't have the skills that I have right now. So I've really improved as a trader. I've become a better trader, so there's so much stuff I know now that I didn't know back then. So price action is actually one of them. So this one looks very nice. You can see what is going to happen. The price has to just go above here, just a bit here, and then decide to drop. Okay, so that's the setup. So you have to be patient. The only buy opportunity that we might have could be actually here at this point. So if the price decides to just go here, let's just go and check the USD CAD. Do they have it? USD CAD, because it's a bit in the morning right now. Like they don't have everything, so they don't have USD CAD. So let's go for what they have. So they have this instrument so far because it's still early in the morning in South Africa. As the time goes by, they're gonna be opening more instruments, so you can actually trade and actually have more option of trading. So let me just see what did I have. Let me see. Okay. Let's go for the pound yen. Okay, pound yen. This pound Swiss. Pound Oz, pound CAD, pound. Okay. Oh, where is it now? Oh, there it is. I think this is it. Oh, my MC4 is not. Oh, there it is. Okay, this is what you have. See here, just drawing this zone here. You have a nice setup. So I'm late. So this was a nice support level, and then it broke in and it retested. So I'm late now. So I could actually expect probably a small buy here on this space. So it's already touched the space, so it went up. So there's no setup here. So let's just go for some other stuff. The euro pound. Let's go for the euro pound. Euro pound. Let's go. Okay, it's going up. You can see. So we have a nice move going up. So yeah, just drawing this point and drawing this point. Just drawing these lines. So I'm expecting the price to just break here and then go up again. So it will be a nice buy here on this demand at this point. This demand at this point, it will be actually nice. But not the greatest of setup. Yeah, the Euro USD doesn't wanna actually reach our entry point. Okay, let's go for check for something else. Okay, the Euro yen, there it is. Euro yen, there's the setup. The Euro yen, you have to be really quick, guys, when it comes to analyze. When you're analyzing, like, you have to be. It all depends on how much effort you actually put in the charts. on your spare time, what you do on your spare time. You're gonna become a good trader if you work hard on your trading. It's simple as that. There's nothing magical about it. Like the more practice, the more you practice, the more you become better with actually analyzing and stuff, and becoming a more consistent trader. So this is another setup. This is a nice FTR, but basically time is actually not with us because it's very fast. So you just have to be patient. Mm. There's no setup here, so let's just wait for another setup. Um, okay, the gold, we don't have the tab of gold. You see, there's no tab, so there's no short term. You can actually go long term. For those who like long term as well, let me just do the long term option. So if I can see here on the long term, I know okay for the next 10 minutes it will be above here. But for the sake of this video, I can't do that. I can't do that for the sake of this video. So I just have to do short term, short term, short term. Okay, let's look for what else. Come on, give me one setup. Okay, let's go for the pound dollar again. Oh, it's never. So let me see here. Okay, let's test this trend line. So let's go for a buy here. Since it's moving, it has to go up again and decide to. Okay, let's go for a buy. Okay, here and then go for a buy. Go for a buy. Check time and give it 5 minutes buy. Okay, let's just wait. Just when you enter buy, it decide to drop like crazy. Okay, if you're still new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'm gonna leave a link on the description, and actually you can practice and actually comment and inbox me and stuff. Tell me what you think. Should we continue with this kind of stuff and stuff? Because this stuff really helps with your trading. I think these are the kind of things that when I started trading really improve my entry point, improve my emotions, improve how quick I can make a decision as a forex trader. It really shaping me to become a better trader, and it's very nice to actually, how do I put it, to learn other stuff, to learn other stuff, and improving your skill and improving your passion as well. So make sure you like and subscribe. I'm gonna leave the link on the subscription for everybody who's still new, learning better option, trying to learn. So when I leave the link, you can open an account. This is the easiest thing. We're gonna continue learning some more stuff. If you guys, it's all up to you guys to actually show me your love and support. Show your boy your love and support. Like and subscribe, man. Like and subscribe. Show your boy love and support. There's so many stuff that I like to introduce on our group. So yeah, man. So let's just hope this trade will actually become a winner for the sake of this video. So actually be nice. So I thought that it has to, like, as you can see here, zoom it in a bit. So you can see here, this has been respecting the trend line, and it haven't touched this demand, so there's no need for it to actually break this trend line. So it has to go this inside the trend line, and then so let me just sorry about that. My laptop almost it almost wanted to, the battery wanted to pass out with me, so I just have to run and take the charger. Oh, we're still in the money. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you comment. Make sure you like and subscribe. So we just have 1 minute of time. We're still in the money, so hopefully it's close in the money for for the sake of this video, to make it look cool, to make it look viewers and all those stuff, you know what I mean? Make sure you do your part and like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I mean, like, seriously, guys, it's all up to you to actually make the video, make me continue doing this kind of stuff, you know. So it's up to you guys. So you see how important the entry point now is. You can see the trade is actually running on our entry point. So if you had a poor entry point, we would be actually out of the money by flying colors. But right now, we are still out of the money, but we still have a chance of being in the money because there's still time. We still have like a minute to go. So hopefully this candle will just close just above. But it's moving nicely, so we still have time. So here, so there it is. We have like 30 seconds. Ah! Oh, yo, that candle just changed all of a sudden, man. All of a sudden, it was crazy, guys. And we have 20 seconds. I don't see it coming back. Also, this trade was actually a very bad trade. Actually, a very bad trade. So, it was out of the money. So, this one is a loss. So, this is what you can actually do. This is called the martingale strategy. So, if you lost like $100, you have to make sure that you double the loss and go for $200 so you can recover the previous loss with profit. You know, so I know that this trade has to go up. So just click here, $200, so you can recover the previous loss and actually make profits as well. So that's how you actually martingale your trade now. So binary option is not that hard. It's not that hard, but it's not for the fatal hearted. You see, all of a sudden this candle was green. Now it's red, green, red, green. So if I lose this $200, I have to double my $200. It's gonna be what? $400. Yeah, 400. Come on. So I have to double it to actually martingale and stuff. Yes! We won this one, but but it's not convincingly, no? Not convincingly, but we won, so that's good. So let's go for some other setup. Look at it has already broken this trend line, so I was actually playing, eh? So this one made a false break. It made a false break and then it didn't go up. Hey, they say in Zuri Shubi, it hasn't go up. The pound yen. So we don't have so much instrument right now because of the time that we're trading. So let's just stop it for here. Stop it here for now, and actually make sure you like and subscribe. Actually tell me, I'm gonna leave the link on the description for those who actually wanna open an account with IQ option and try it out. Make sure you other guys can tell me if I should continue with this kind of videos or should just stick on Forex. So you are the guys are gonna be my guidance when it's come to this stuff. So thank you, bye for now.